3 things that will shock you about America. Moving to the U.S.? Get ready for some things that will totally surprise you. Number 1. Everyone loves their cars. In the U.S., driving is a big part of the culture. People really value their independence, so even for short trips, you'll see everyone hopping in their cars. It's all about freedom on the road, and you'll see why it's so common to drive everywhere. Plus, the roads are super convenient. Number 2. Food is a whole different level. Get ready for bigger portions. Whether it's burgers, pizzas, or coffee, American food is all about going big. And don't worry if you get hungry at night. There are late-night food options everywhere. Number 3. How are you? Is just a greeting. This one's funny. In the U.S., well, when people say, "How are you?" they're usually not looking for a detailed answer. It's just their way of saying, "Hi." Don't worry, you're not expected to share your life story. Just keep it simple. "I'm good, thanks," and move on. Which one of these surprises you the most? Drop your thoughts below.